Yep, it's there. Oh. Little guy. Right in the snoot.
Crushed it from the side though.
That's a good eater.
Seems small. Another perfect eater.
Okay.
Wow. He decided to come alive. Little guy. Yeah. Well, 19 maybe. It's a big one. There are huge fish in here.
That might be a snag or a log. The worst part is that the wind pushes me into the rocks every time.
That's a fish.
Yes, it is. This is a fish I'm going to want the boga grip for.
Okay.
That net, I just spent 20 minutes.
Just grab it by hand. Just kidding. You can come get it.
Please.
We're coming.
Look at this fish.
It's dead. Just get it on its side and grab its jaw. That's a big one. Huge arcs right underneath us. Yeah, it's kind of awkward, huh? Yeah, grab the lip. Or the nose.
This is how you lose a boga grip.
I got it. Don't worry about it.
This is running. Holy cow! Look how short and fat that is.
Look at the nostrils on that bad boy.
My arms are tired. That thing just logged its way
Stop
up.
swearing!
Sorry. I'm tired. I gotta pinch the barbs on this lure.
It's fine.
He's perfect.
Excuse you.
Watch your head, Eric. You're coming into shore. You're gonna get some cedar in the face here pretty soon. Oh, that feels good. Got it. Thank you. This is a good fish. I might be able to get it if you get it taut. Alright, I got it. Over. There you go, it's free. Reel it in. Reel it in. Also got 100 feet of line out. We're doing fine. When you get a chance, can you turn the bow of the boat to the left? Just gonna end up fighting this fish under the boat. Right, he's straight under me now. I can see him. He's 30 feet down.
Go left?
Yeah, turn us around, 180. There you go, perfect. Paddle backwards, perfect. 16 feet, he's right under us. Oh my, okay. Oh my. I might need the boga, huh? Oh, he's rolling. Thank you. He's fish. It's powerful. Spinning himself up. Oh, hold on. Whoa. Alright, that was stressful. He's going back down.
You go
there he goes.
The blue chrome.
That was 20. That was 25 or 6.
I'm not going to use the blue chrome yet. That's the second one you caught.
That'll turn my day around real quick.
Is that the second one on a blue chrome?
Yes. Second one on one full pass. 160 feet of line out. First time 145, second time 160.
Let's put this old spoon out. We're going to try one more pass.
The dry streak is over. Woo!
Fingered a trout.
Dr. Spoon is back, baby. 26.
I'm not even marking them.
This one might be. Oh, it's hard to tell. This one's either much bigger or much more ornery than any of the others I've caught. Friggin' nailed it, man. That's why I felt bigger.
Found the dink.
Feels kind of lame. Feels small. 40 feet of line out. Perfect, right there. Perfect, right there. Paddling line, so you can stop. Yeah, I have a stick too. Nope, it just felt heavier. That's trout. Check it out.
Nice.
Perfect keeper. I just do this. Let it hit bottom, pop it up. When it starts lifting off bottom, let more line out. Might not be able to feel bottom, but let line out until line stops sinking. And then just pop it. Doesn't matter if it's on the bottom or 3 feet off the bottom. As long as it's there for them to slurp up. Jigging for Lakers. 35 feet of water. Just do one big pop and then let it drop. Try a pop, not a lift. Oh, look at this thing. I was gonna say, oh, it's not really fighting. It could be a walleye. Ooh, just felt a twist. I don't like that.
It's just belting over here.
Oh my, that's bigger than I thought it was. Man, I think you just saw the boat. What were we saying about how many high 20s we caught? Heart's racing. Oh, it's just a little jig. A little 3/8 ounce. was fun. We were only in 30 feet of water. Oh, just right in the top of the snoot. He's not done. At all. Spinning. Spinning. Did you hear the line? Oh, he's just twisted up in it. He's foul hook in his tail. If it comes launching off. Yes, why not? Swim right into it. Here he comes. Oh, it's just on his tail. This is so dumb. Spit it. Wow, he's a slimer indeed. Measure him. Careful. Not rip it straight up when it does that. Let's take you to rapple on the face. Beautiful. Right away, 150 feet of line out. Feels okay. Eric's got another one, look. This one's feeling smaller the closer it gets to the boat. An 27 feet of line. 15. Oh, he's feeling bigger. Another 4.5 pounder. It's fish 40 and 41. What a fantastic fishing lake. Paddling Knife, Wednesday night, 5:30 p.m. Looking for a campsite. Just a beautiful evening.
Yeah, but it's been rained on all day.
That's okay. Is it punky?
You know how to judge. Bring me that wood, baby.
Already been cut. That saves us time.
Gardner and I are up for doing at least 8 or 9 miles tonight.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll paddle that wood if you bring it over here. Swim it out.
He's got a lot more room for wood in his boat.
You gotta swim it out to our boat though.
Yeah, looks pretty bad straight ahead.
To my right, Norval.
Guess we'll just have to come back and do Eddy Falls later. We did it. I think it's time to sprint, boys. My muscles hurt.
Yep.
They are not awake yet. Got the boys behind me and the gateway to South Arm. Oh, that's nice.